How's it going?
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Are you just trying to obstruct me, or?
No, I'm just coming to say hello. I can say hello.
Yeah, that's how radio cowards act, I guess, right?
How are you doing today?
Look at this clown. Parsons acting like a clown.
Are you live streaming right now, or
Yo.
What are you doing?
Sure am.
Okay. Right now I have an active investigation. I'm about to have to tape up, so just giving you forewarning. I'm going to put some tape up and you'll have to be behind it, okay?
Got it? Okay. Are you sure? Hey.
Back up, please. Back up, please.
Didn't accomplish shit.
Out, please. Now, thank you.
Radio coward. That's how you act, huh?
You know you're not going to get my goat on this one. Come on.
Oh, you already did,
Dude,
obviously.
We've known each other long enough.
Coward. Let's follow the radio coward.
When somebody's potentially passing and next of kin have not been notified, live streaming is cowardice, actually.
You're not gonna get my goat. Shut the hell up.
It's a pretty callous thing to make fun of. So you got a job to do, man, but you can have some dignity, some respect. You don't have an answer for that, Gabe? Come on.
Nope. Let's keep being a radio coward. Just like Rick Scott. I didn't know you were such a scumbag, though. Thanks for showing your true colors, man. Appreciate that. It's good to document it.
You can do better, Gabe. Come on.
It's good to document it.
Trying to protect the privacy of somebody in crisis and the family of
I'm
them.
trying to document a scene where police are involved. Do your f***ing job.
You guys are ready to close it off?
Fucking coward.
Excuse me, my guy. I gotta get in my car.
Yeah, go for it, man.
We need all
We
the
need the
space.
space.
I'm not blocking you.
You are.
No,
You are.
I'm not actually.
You are. We have a stroller with a
Do your
kid.
thing.
Can you move?
Do your thing. So we had Officer Nolan Parsons come up to me, try to obstruct my camera. He actually did obstruct my camera. Once I raised the camera above his head and there was nothing he can do, he's like, oh, I'm gonna put tape up. I have no knowledge of what the scene was. I just saw police showed up and he's gonna get all butthurt like, oh, you don't have dignity or some shit like that. I see cops, I'm gonna record. He's talking about you don't have no dignity. Shut the hell up. I didn't know Parsons is a scumbag. It's good to document it. How many more scumbags are there on the department? Are you guys all scumbags, or is it just a handful?
What do you got for me, Gabe? What's the next insult?
Nothing, man. Just showing your true colors. I already called you a scumbag. It is what it is.
Alright, well, what's the next one? You gotta one up that. You gotta do better. More creative. I know you got it in you. You're a smart guy.
Nah. Scumbag. Scumbag covers it all, man.
I respect your hustle, Gabe.
I used to respect you, man.
I know. Next time you're a victim, I'll take your report just as well. I promise.
Hey, next time I'm a victim, I hope someone's recording. Usually Parsons is cool. So this is, he's threatened me with arrest one time for talking, actually. But I let that one slide because he didn't know what the f he was talking about. He was conducting a DUI investigation and I was talking, and he tried to tell me, oh, you can't talk. Officer Parsons tried to tell me you can't talk during my DUI investigation. I was like, yeah, I can say whatever the f I want. And then he threatened me with arrest and just obviously didn't know what the f he was talking about. You know, I continued talking and he didn't do shit.
BMW X1.
Yeah, I did such a good job with that tape, Parsons. Wow. That was so helpful.
You're the second person to compliment me.
That was so helpful. What a good job you just did. Obstructing my camera, first of all. You obstructed my camera, first of all. I had to raise it. That's a policy violation, actually. Look it up.
It is?
I will. I'll file the complaint and I'll list the policy number.
What's your policy?
I'll file the complaint and list the policy number that you violated. You obstructed me while I was recording. You have a media policy and you obstructed me while I was recording.
I'll approach you to see if you need to offer a statement.
Sure.
Try again. Keep coming.
Just saying how it is, man.
Oh, you're saying it how you think the viewers want to hear it, not how it actually is.
I'm saying it how I see it.
No, there's the truth, there's reality, and then there's your perception.
Have you always been a scumbag and you're just hiding it? Or is this new?
I just have a reverence for life and people and people's families, you know? And being able to get notified of things first, before the internet. Why are you quiet? You don't have a response for that?
Nope. I'm just taking in all the info, documenting it.
Good. Right, see you on the next one, Gabe. Good job today.
Go f yourself, dude.
Well, that's not nice.
Parsons. Nolan Parsons showed his true colors. He's getting a complaint for obstructing my camera, obstructing the media. That is a policy that Slo PD has. Who knows if they're willing to abide by that, but I'll put it in.
27 for the
I'll put it in. I mean, you know, knowing the department, they're not going to do shit. But hey, I'll put the complaint in.
I'm 21. It's going to be Oregon number 1994310.